Hi, so we just launched our OdooCRM extension. It's really something very simple and easy. So you can use it with enterprise or community version, just the same. So suppose you're looking on your email and you want to search for some customer or some lead. You just want to search by the email or by the lead. So if you just say view, and then you have the contact itself. You click here, you're going to the contact, and if you just search for a lead, it will show you the different icons. So the ones that show us a dollar, these are, for example, shares. So if I just search shares, that I have 50 shares, and it opens directly in the browser. As I said, could be on enterprise or also in community, works fine. You just have to have two things on your Odoo side. You have to have this module, which is GraphQL CRM schema. We have it for version 13, but it's very easy to port it to 12 or any other version, 14 even. Because the advantage is that you can use this with Google, with Yahoo, with any other browser email, right? And so you have to have this module, which is on our public repo, OdooGAP CRM, GraphQL CRM schema. This has a dependency on the REST framework, base REST. This module here, it's important to have it, base REST. And as you see on my local, this is how I did it. So I have it base. Let me just ls to show you. So this is the data folder by default Odoo is going to pull. So if I do ls -lh, you'll see this is the GraphQL schema module. This is the base REST. You only need to have this. You need to install it, and it's working. So anytime, any place, you just open, you can find your leads and your contacts. That's all, guys. Thank you.